Hey guys, Justin here for another fireworks video. I'm in my house watching people light fireworks during Christmas, which is kind of odd. I don't think that's allowed, so I'm making a video of it so you guys can see the fireworks going on. Pretty sure they're about to do one. I'm waiting for them to light another firework. To where I can show you guys it going up. And then it blowing up. So pretty much you get the idea. I'm just sitting here waiting for fireworks to show you guys. So this is pretty much fun. I stay up till at least 5 in the morning watching fireworks on the 4th of July. So I'm probably going to stay up all night watching the fireworks on, I don't really know what day it is. So I don't really care. Let's just watch these fireworks while they're getting it set up. I don't even know the people down there, so that's just the reflection of my lamp. I don't think they are going to light another firework. There it is. Well, there you go. Another firework. So I'm still waiting for them to light another fireworks. So be patient, because I'm on a live stream right now, and I hope we're going live. I hope we're going live right now. So anyway. This will still be fun. Just still waiting for another firework. I'm going to point you guys up at the sky to see all the action. Did you guys see that? Wasn't that good? Wasn't that sick? That was awesome. It's been a few minutes since they lit a firework. Hopefully they're going to do another one, because it's been a long time. It's been like 5 minutes since they've done the last one. I'm just stalking them. And I'm just stalking them and watching them do fireworks. I'm stalking them and to watch them do fireworks every single minute. Because I'm very interested in fireworks. So here you go. I'm showing you the fireworks from every single minute. Hopefully this video isn't too long for you guys, cause this isn't much to do, but I really don't care. So, did you see it? Do you see them? Whoa, that one was double fire. That's what they were doing. That must have been tough. That must have been tough. Do you guys see that little light over there? Tell me in the comments if you see it. Cause that... I just blasted myself off the window because I thought I heard a firework. Oops. I accidentally farted. Excuse me, sorry guys. Sorry you had to hear that. There's no one with me right now, and if you're wondering how old I am since the last time I recorded, I am 9 now. The last time I recorded, I was at least 4. Or the last time I recorded, I was 4. So hopefully you guys give me... I'm going for at least 2 subscribers, or at least a follower, because I'm just getting back to YouTube. So thank you so much for watching. I might as well do videos more often. So here you guys go. Bye guys. See you on the next video. Bye guys. See you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe. And leave a like. And click the notification bell to get notified when I make another video. So anyways,